There are a great number of plant species that may be discovered in nature that are beneficial to the health of humans. Okra, also known as gumbo and lady's fingers, is a fantastic example of the kind of helpful plant that we are talking about here. The benefits of ingesting this plant are still, for the most part, not fully understood. Okra consumption has been associated with a reduced likelihood of acquiring cardiovascular disease, diabetes, cancer, and obesity. Increase the number of anti-inflammatory foods you eat, such as okra, as you become older to assist your body in coping with the natural wear and tear that comes with the passage of time. Both the bones and the heart benefit from the nutrient content of okra, which includes various vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber. Okra is beneficial to the health of both the bones and the heart. Because of its high fiber content, as well as its availability of antioxidants and minerals, eating okra can help regulate blood sugar levels. This is due to the fact that okra contains a lot of these nutrients, according to the findings of a number of recent scientific research. Eating okra may be able to help reduce the likelihood of acquiring diabetes as well as obesity. Having a higher body mass index, BMI, is associated with an increased chance of getting diabetes in a person. It's good for your cardiovascular system, which is always a plus. One of the reasons that okra is considered to be a vegetable that is beneficial for your heart is due to the significant quantity of fiber that it contains. Consuming a diet that is higher in fiber can help reduce levels of LDL cholesterol in the body. Consuming a greater quantity of meals that are high in fiber is one way to reach this goal. Consuming an increased amount of foods that are high in fiber, such as okra, can help reduce the risk of a variety of diseases and conditions, such as obesity, diabetes, stroke, and heart disease.